guys, finally Sleeps here. Today, gonna take a quick look at the S10 project. It's been a while. It's been sitting because of a major issue. Make sure you subscribe though, check out the channel, not just for the S10 project, but for everything else, video games, cars, everything. All right, so the S10, about 6-7 weeks ago, in the fall, it stopped starting. Went through, thought, okay, I'm gonna make a video on distributor cap. That's a normal, common issue with these, is getting moisture in the distributor. Thought, okay, we'll replace the distributor, put the video together to start it, and it turns out while making the video, immediately realized, shit, it's not the distributor, it's the fuel pump. Shit, it's not the distributor, it's the fuel pump. Which, if the distributor is an easy fix and it's cheap, the fuel pump is not that expensive as a part, but the labor to do it is tenfold the cost of the actual part. You have to drop the fuel pump down, or the fuel pump is inside the gas tank. You have to drop the gas tank to get to the fuel pump. It's a giant pain in the ass. The only other way to do it on this vehicle is to remove the entire bed and gain access to the fuel pump from the top. The plan is to wrap this thing. Bed has to come off to wrap it anyway. So thought, let's just wait till the fall season is finished, get the truck in the garage, and pull the bed off, and then start all the winter projects. So that's kind of where it's sitting right now. So currently it's under production. The back end is up, tailgate's off. Started to remove some of the exhaust to get there, because the exhaust is going to get ripped out over the winter as well. Still have to do fenders. Going to have to weld in the corners over here to new fenders over the flares, just to fix that major rust on both sides. But the next step is actually pulling the bed off of the truck to gain access to everything I want to do back there. Plus, it's going to make things easier, because the next plan was to put drop shackles on it to bring the back end down to about 7 inches total. Then when the new wheels and tires go on, I'll get the 8-inch, 9-inch drop that we're looking for. So the next video will be how to remove the bed and start replacing a fuel pump.